how to change cPanel password in GoDaddy. So let's get started with the video. Once you log into your GoDaddy account, this is the screen you will land on. Now click on the profile icon and from the menu list, click My Products. Next, on the My Products page under the Web Hosting section, click the Manage button. After that, click the Settings link in the top menu. On this page, to change the password, click Change. A password pop-up window will appear. Here, you can set a new cPanel password. You can either generate a random password or enter your own custom password. Make sure your password is strong with letters, numbers, and special characters. Finally, click the Change Password button. And that's it. You have successfully changed the password of your cPanel account in GoDaddy. Simple and done. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, leave a comment below, and share it with others. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tutorials.